I love to paint. Painting is my go-to. One of the projects I'm working on is a wall for my godmother. She's a dance teacher. This is hopefully a gift that won't end up on a re-gift shelf. And hopefully it will inspire and encourage each of the little girls, all the way to teenagers, to keep pursuing their interests and their passions. I decided to grab a variety of canvases, different sizes, paint all of the canvases, and through a few upcycling projects, I managed to create custom artwork for her studio.
Old magnets transformed into wall art.
A variety of looks.
Cell phone cases for $1.
I updated the cell phone cases by adding little wood cutouts of dancers. And then I also took other wood cutouts and attached them to a variety of surfaces to create a custom look.
If you use your imagination, you can come up with some incredible things.
Oftentimes people will order these for weddings with the names of each of their guests. Well, I decided to order the custom words, and instead of ordering names, I ordered phrases. I was able to attach each of these words to a canvas. My hope is that each girl that sees this, that comes in and utilizes this space, will hopefully feel warmth and love and energy, encouraging not only my godmother, but all the students that she teaches to keep pursuing their passion for dance.
Thank you, Miss Shayla. We love our room.
Thank you for watching this episode of Let's Craft. I'm Shayla Reaves.